Make a fist of your हाथों की मुट्ठी बना लीजिए. Place them on your thighs. Keep your spine erect. Start breathing in. Stretch your right hand up closer to your ear. Look straight. जितना हाथ सीधा. And gently breathing out. Over your right. Same way. Left hand. Stretch. हाथ एकदम सीधे. Try to stretch it straight. If you find it a little difficult, press your armpit a little. Stretch. Down. Practice 4 more rounds. Right and left is 1 round. Stretch. Left. Continue the practice. धीरे धीरे practice को continue करेंगे. आंखें बंद. 3 more rounds. Last 2 rounds. Stretch. When you stretch your shoulder, you get a lower back stretch. Keep the stretch to your spine. And after this one last round, try to hold slightly longer. See, you're stretching your spine towards the ceiling. Last round. Sitting across. If you're not comfortable with Ardha Padmasana, you can sit in Sukhasana. Please keep your hand like this. Half elbows में सीधे. Take your right hand up. See that you lift your right knee. बिल्कुल घुटना उठाना नहीं है. Keep it as close to the floor as possible. Take your left hand away from the body and give lateral stretch. Change. Stretch your left hand. Give lateral bend to your right side. Change. Slide your left hand a little more away from the body. थोड़ा सा और दूर. Go down a little more. So, left hand to your right side. See that your hands are straight in the elbow. Now we'll do a slightly advanced practice. See if you can keep your forearm like this. Keep your forearm. Elbow se leke tip without lifting your knee. Stretch your right hand and give lateral bend. If you find this practice difficult, shift to the previous practice. Otherwise, try to bring your forearm down from your elbow to your fingertip. Feel a good squeeze to the abdomen on one side, stretch on the other. Change. Keep your forearm. Try to keep your forearm. Stretch your left hand and give stretch. Feel the stretch to your oblique. Release. Just release. Now go into Bhadrasana, Konasana. Keep your back straight. Stop your practice. So keep some distance between your feet. Just do a slight raise. Palm in as a cross arm. Keep some distance between your feet. Catch your ankle joint. And don't worry how much deep down you can. Just practice as per your capacity. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathing out, go down, go down. Try to get forehead between your feet. You can catch your toes, you can catch your toe joint. Go down. Heel touch to your back. Come on, 2 more rounds. We're going to do a full forward stretch, full apni shamta ke anusar. The idea is to give pressure to the lower abdomen, stretch to your back, open up your pelvic joint. Breathe in, stretch forward. If you can go down a little more as you breathe out. Release. One last time. Stretch forward. Release. And stretch forward. Keep your hands by the side of your body. After a good forward, it will give a backward bend to the spine. Uttana, sorry, Purvottanasana. Feet together. Start breathing in. Raise your hips up. Take your head back. Let your toes point towards the floor. Down. Second round. We're going to practice 3 rounds. Raise your hips up. Toes pointing towards the floor like Tadasana. One last time. Hips up. Keep hands in Padma. We're going to practice neck rotation. Gently take your head down. Unless you feel any discomfort to your neck muscles, we'll do full rotation. जिनको गर्दन में दर्द है, especially back of the neck, do only half a rotation. Take your head down first. Breathe out. And as you breathe into your right, take your head back, stretch your throat. Breathing out, gently roll your head down, chin to your chest. Slowly, 5 rounds clockwise, 5 rounds counterclockwise. Biल्कुल धीरे धीरे श्वास के साथ. Synchronize the whole practice with your breath. Counterclockwise. Reverse. Reach practice. Keep practice. Simha Mudra. Keep your hands stretched straight. Breathe in. Stretch your tongue up. Ziban puri tarah se baat. Take your head down. Let your tongue, tip of your tongue closer to your chest. Good. Take your tongue in first. Raise your hand. अगर बहुत ज्यादा घुटनों में दर्द है तो प्लीज डू लाइंग डाउन, लाइंग ऑन योर बैक प्रैक्टिस. अगर आप थोड़ा सा बैठ कर सकते हैं दर्द को तो जस्ट गो एंड ग्रैब अ टॉवल और समथिंग, टर्किश टॉवल या थोड़ा सा बेडशीट. You can do the practices with me. We're going to practice variations in Marjara, camel. This is how the position should be. Toes relax, your hands, your knees, your feet are parallel to each other. हाथ shoulders के नीचे. Marjarasana is catch pose. I'm sorry. Look. If you feel any pain to your knee, घुटनों में कुछ भी दर्द होता है, just stop your practice and you can lie on your back and do our regular practice. Take your head up and back. Push your navel towards the floor. नाभि को जमीन की ओर push करेंगे, so that you feel the pressure at the lower back and the lower abdomen. Keep your head up. Now we'll do the cat and the camel stretch. Breathe in, breathing out. Gently take your head down. Pull your back up. A camel's hump. Pull your back up. As you breathe in, lift your head up, back down. Breathing out, head down, pull your back up. Breathing in, head up, back down. Practice 3 more rounds. Do it slowly, jitna dheere. Synchronize the whole practice with your breath. Complete your practice. Cup your palms under your chin. Unless your knees are hurting, you can just relax. Otherwise, you can relax like this. Your palms under your chin. Just relax your back. Again, going to Marjarasana in the cat pose. Keep your head up. Going to the starting pose again. Now stretch your right hand, left leg. Keep your head up. Right hand, left leg. Keep your eyes open. It's a balancing practice. Eyes are open. Change. Left hand, head, right leg up. Stretch. Feel the stretch to your lower back. Change. 2 more rounds. Right hand, left leg, head up. Try to keep them in the same line, the hand and the leg. Take your leg up a little more. Now the last round, we raise the hand a little more closer to the ear. First or upward. Raise the leg a little more up. Raise the hand a little more up, little more from the previous 2 rounds. Left hand, keep it up a little more. Again, so if you find it difficult, just relax like this. Others can just relax in Vajra. Again. Now, this time, keep your toes in a standing position like same Marjaras in the cat pose. Your feet, your knees, your hands are parallel to each other, but are in a standing position. Keep your head up. Breathe in, raise your knees up. Try to bring your heels down. Feel the stretch to your calf muscle. Let your head hang between your hands. Adho Mukha Svanasana, this is called a downward dog pose. Now we do a slight variation. So you breathe in, raise your heels up. Breathing out, heels down. 2, heels up and down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. Last 2. 6, down. Last time. 7. Just up and maintain. Down and maintain. Try to touch your heels to the floor. Knees down. Lie on your back. Just relax. It's a good practice for those of you who got any calf strain in your calf. You get cramps, varicose veins. Do this practice every day. Will help you to release that. Lie on your back. Lie on your back. Feet ke bal le jaye. Just relax. Just feel the aftereffects of the practices, especially the Marjarasana variations on the lower part of your body. Improves the blood flow to your head side. Just relax. Pranali, put your audio off. So, stretch your hands behind. Feet together. Palm mila लीजिए. Stretch your legs and keep your feet together. Now raise your right leg only up to 30 degrees. ज़्यादा ऊपर पानी उठाना है. Just few inches off the floor up to 30 degrees. Breathing normal. And gently lower your leg. Repeat the practice with the left leg. Down. Continue. Right leg. Left leg. Practice 5 to 7 rounds. If you can hold slightly longer with your breathing being normal. थोड़ा सा देर प्रैक्टिस को जब से ऊपर उठाते थोड़ा देर मेंटेन करके रखिए. To improve the blood flow to the legs at the end of the day. When you completed your practice, just release and relax. In practice, Ardha Pavana Muktasana, feet together. Keep your feet together. Take your right leg up. Fold. Interlock your fingers either from above your knees or under your knees. Just maintain for a few breaths. This by itself is a very good practice to strengthen your digestive system, relieve any acidity, indigestion. Those of you can, with no neck pain, raise your head up. Keep your left leg straight. Practice 2 more rounds. Gently raise your head. Don't release your leg. धीरे धीरे 2 राउंड और करेंगे. And once you've completed with the right leg, unlock your fingers. Stretch your right leg up straight and breathing out, gently lower your leg. Synchronize the practice with your breath. Now, change. Left leg up. Hold. Just maintain. Just maintain a gentle pressure on the side of your abdomen for a few seconds. And as you breathe out, raise your head. Check, release, and turn your hands in line with your shoulders, feet together. Now fold your right leg, right palm को fold करिए. Now place your right foot above your left knee, but don't touch the knee. थोड़ा सा हवा में, in the air, just above the left knee. और घुटने को टच नहीं करना है. Now breathe in. As you breathe out, gently bend your right knee towards the left side. Keep your left leg straight. Turn your face to your right side. Let your foot be in the air. Up right palm है. Let it be not touching the floor. Let it be in the air. हवा में रहने दीजिए. Come to the center. Release right. Okay. Fold left leg. Just place it above the right knee without touching the knee. Just few inches off the right knee. Breathe in. Now gently bend your left knee to your right side. Right leg is straight. Face to your left. One more time. एक बार और. One more time. Fold your right leg. Place it above your left knee, just above, off the knee. घुटनों पे touch नहीं करना है. थोड़ा सा हवा में. Let there be few inches gap. Now breathe in. As you breathe out, bend your right knee to your left side. Once you lower the knee to left, turn your face to your right. Feel the squeeze to the abdomen, to the waist. Come to the center. Release right leg. Change. Left leg. Place it on your right knee. Just few inches off the right knee. Breathing out. Take your left knee to your right side. Face to your left. Come to the center. Release. And relax. Just relax. Close your eyes. And now we'll practice Setu Bandhasana or the bridge pose. Hold your legs in the knees. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Place your hands closer to your heels, palms facing floor. Now as you breathe in, raise your hips up. Raise your chest closer to your chin. Just maintain with normal breathing. Down. Second, raise your hips up. Bring your feet closer to your body. Raise your heels up. Stretch your hands behind. Take them behind your head. Nicely. Raise your chest closer to your chin. Release. The next round. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Raise your hips up. Now interlock your fingers under your hips. Like Hasta Pashan, interlock your fingers under your hips. Expand your chest. Shoulder blades at the back come closer. And just maintain. When you want to release, breathing out, press your hips to your hands. Just hold for a few seconds. Just press your hips to your hands. And now release your hands. Look. Now bring your feet slightly closer. Raise your hips up. Slow. Hips down. Spread your knees. Open up your knees. घुटने वैसे फैला लीजिए. Again, lips closer. Raise your hips up. Down. Spread your knees. Last time. Raise your hips up. Down. Spread your knees. Just maintain. Feel the pressure to the lower back. Release. And just relax. And now practice leg raises. practice with one leg, few rounds, and then when you're comfortable, you can practice both the legs. You can do the variation that we did yesterday. For the variation, take both your legs down, interlock your fingers at the back of your leg, interlace your fingers, cross your right foot over your left and the ankle joint, raise your head up, bring your right elbow towards the side. Then change. Come down, change your leg position. Left across your right, raise your head up, left elbow to the right side. Do it slowly till you get the rhythm. Do it slowly. Any discomfort to your neck, don't take your head up. Any comfort to your lower back, don't practice with both the legs. बिल्कुल अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार and listen to your body signal. Maybe slightly difficult in initial stages. Just practice 2 rounds every day. Strengthen your core muscles. Relax. Once you've completed your practice, just lift your legs. Just relax. We practice Tadaki Mudra. Dhyan in lying down pose. Hold your legs in the knees. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Bring your hands closer to your heels. Breathe in, breathe out. Lower your chin to your chest. Draw your abdomen in into your spine. पेट को अच्छे से अंदर की ओर. Take your abdomen in, chin to your chest. No breathing at all. Chin. Release abdomen, release chin. Second round. Breathe in, breathe out completely. पूरी तरह से श्वास बाहर. Breathe out. Lower your chin to your chest. Draw your abdomen in. थोड़ा सा और अंदर. Little more in. One more round. Breathe in, breathe out. Lock your chin to your chest. Don't take your head up. Lock your chin to your chest. Draw your abdomen in, little more. Feel it go towards your spine. Feel the tightness around the navel region. Hold your breath. No breathing. Release abdomen. Release chin lock. Stretch your legs and just relax. So, turn to one side. Gently. Sit up. Keep your eyes closed before we start Kapalabhati. your back straight. Let's begin with Kapalbhati. Take a deep breath in. Start. Stop your practice and just keep your eyes closed. Deep practice. Alternate nasal breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Try and hold the breath for a few seconds. Your left hand in chin mudra, tip of your thumb and index finger together. Close your right nostril. First two fingers at the eyebrow tip. Now without any sound, breathe in through left. Close left nostril with your ring finger. Hold your breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently open right nostril. Breathe out completely. Breathe in through right. Close right nostril with your thumb. Hold your breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open left. Breathe out. Breathe in through left. Close left. Hold your breath. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open right. Breathe out. Breathe in through right. Close. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open left. Breathe out. Continue the practice. Mentally count up to 7. Practice last round. When you breathe out from left nostril, gently stop your breath. We practice yogic breathing. Keep your fingers in chin mudra. Tip of your thumb, index finger together. Keep attention to your navel region. We're going to chant mantra Akar. Take a deep breath in. Relax your abdomen. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last round. Breathe in. Now gently your other three fingers. Keep the tip of your thumb and index finger together. Hold your other three fingers. Now this time keep attention to your chest. We're going to chant the mantra, the sound oo. Take a deep breath in. Oo. Breathe 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 in. Oo. Last round. Breathe in. Oo. Keep your thumb at the base of ring finger. Fold your forehead. Keep attention to your head, your brain. We're going to chant the mantra Makar like Brahmari Pranam. Keep your eyes gently closed. Take a deep breath in. Mm. 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 We practice last round. Open your hands. Please lie on your back for Shavasana. Bring your attention to your right leg. Relax your toe, heel, ankle joint, shin, the calf muscles, the kneecap, the thigh muscles, hip joint, and relax your left leg. Relax your toes, the toe, the heel, the ankle joint, the shin, the calf muscles. Relax your left kneecap, thigh muscles, hip joint. Relax your lower, middle back, the upper back, the back of your neck, the back of your head, the top of your head. Relax your forehead. Keep your eyes gently closed. Relax your cheeks, temples, lips, chin, throat, chest, the abdomen. Mentally scan your body from your toes to the top of your head, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Try not to move your body. कोशिश करेंगे शरीर को हिलाएंगे नहीं. And gently bring your attention to your breathing. Keep attention on your incoming, outgoing breath. पूरा ध्यान अपनी आती और जाती श्वास के ऊपर. Keeping your eyes closed, become aware of the body. Move your toes, gently move your legs, your fingers, your hands. Stretch your hands behind. Bring your hands down. Turn to one side. Okay. Sit up. Hold hands in Namaskar Mudra. We end the class with the Shanti Path. Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, vrittyor ma amritam gamaya, sarvesham swatir bhavatu, sarvesham shantir bhavatu, sarvesham purnam bhavatu, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् Have a nice weekend. See you all on Monday. Bye.
Thank you, Suchitra.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye.